guys, welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by if you're new here. Today's video will be unboxing. I have cool things to unbox today. I have a bunch of attachments for KitchenAid and KitchenAid Mixer as well. If you want to see what colors my new KitchenAid Mixer is, and if you want to see in detail all of those attachments here, I have ice cream bowl right here. I have a pasta maker and some slicer shredder attachment as well. So if you want to unbox with me, please continue to watch this video. We'll get started very shortly. Alright, so I think going to unbox the attachments first, and then we're just gonna unbox the main character here, which is the mixer. It's 5 quarts, I think that's what it's called, 5 quarts size, and I'll show you the color of it, but stay tuned. Or if you want to watch just the mixer, you can scroll. Let's start with the attachments. So first one, I got KitchenAid, let's see where it says ice cream maker. So it's, I guess in this video I'll just do unboxing, and then in a separate video we'll do like try-ons and make some recipes, because if we do all if we'll try every attachment, it will probably gonna be an hour-long video. So this video will be just unboxing, first impression, etc. So let's start with the ice cream bowl. I saw lots of good positive reviews, and I thought, well, let's try it, make some homemade ice cream. So there's some warnings here. Some instructions, which is, we can read it later. Let's see, some more instructions how to put it together, so we'll read it a little bit later. So this is the box, and it has all these parts that we need to wash before we try on, obviously. So I have all these parts, and so it has the protection here, the bowl. It's very cold. Oh, I think it has some liquid. Okay, that makes sense, because I think you're supposed to put this in I think freezer before you actually gonna make the ice cream. So, okay, so this is how the bowl looks like. It has I have to read the instructions, see what kind of liquid it's inside. So this looks like a stainless steel, and the white part is plastic. It's pretty heavy. I would say it's maybe close to 5 pounds, maybe a little bit less, but yeah. And that's it. So that's the bowl with the attachments. All right. It's very, very cold, even though it just came. All right, so that's put on a side. Next one, we'll do the shredder. So, it's kind of like a prepping thing, and since I do lots of prepping, I thought that would be good to have. Instead of me shredding manually, I can just use my mixer, and hopefully it will be faster and more prettier, I guess. So let's see. just find. And if you already have any of the attachments, let me know in the comments how you like it, what, you know, maybe some tips and tricks for people who will either watch this video or for myself, will be really appreciated. So leave them in the comments. I think for this one, I would need scissors or knife. So let's see. Okay, I can move it a little bit down so you guys can see it as well. All right, that looks like a Dyson for the hair. Very pretty and fancy. So again, you have an instruction here, which goes to the pile of the other instruction. It has a little pocket, which is cute. And you got the attachments right here. Assuming that's the main one. So I got the tape later. And you got, supposed to be, okay, so the other one is already inside. So I'll do that. So it comes with 3 types for the tape here. So there's types, and let me see if it comes. So the first one, so medium shredding, coarse shredding, slicing, blade, and yeah, so slice, medium, and coarse shredding. So I think this is the slice. You see those big, it looks very sharp, so I'm not going to touch it. And then medium, and oh, this is coarse, I think. Yeah, this guy is a medium, so let me, so this is medium, this is coarse, and the slicing one I already show you, which is inside. All right, so we'll use this in a motion. When I set this up, I have to wash it and everything first. So this is just first impression. All right, that's pretty cool. And this is the box for it. So let's maybe move a little bit up so you can see me. So this one is the KitchenAid pasta. So they had a 2 version. They had the one that is just makes, I think, linguine, or like the fatter part one, and spaghetti. I pick this one just to try because I think I'm eating more of this type of pasta versus, like, I do eat linguine, but not as often as just this regular pasta. So the box looks pretty. Oh, and here, so you get bucatini, rigatoni, spaghetti. Hopefully you can see it. Spaghetti fusilli, large macaroni, and small macaroni. So 6 types you can make, and this is the, okay. All right, so let's see. I would need a little cut of the knife here. Very excited. All right, so let's see. I'm gonna cut one more time here. And this is how it looks. So there are a bunch of instructions. Got some. So there's instructions, and I think there's like maybe a recipe right here. One of this came out. That's pretty large. attachment. Yeah, compared to the picture. So I'm assuming this is, you put it on, and this is the attachment, and this is how you slice it, like when they coming out, you slice for the cut. Yeah, looks pretty good. I have to figure out what is this for. So this is, says made in Italy. It's pretty heavy and large. Have this part as well, and I'm gonna put this down for now. And this is the attachments. So I think one we already saw inside the machine, and there's actually, they actually marked, pretty smart. See the name right here. Small macaroni, large macaroni, rigatoni, fusilli, and all of them. So the box is empty. So it looks like it's made in with a plastic, and this one is probably stainless steel or some metal. All right, so you got 6 attachments right here. So that's all the attachments that I had to, purchase separately. So now the main character is this. Move this guy out, and I'll move this guy closer so we can unbox it. Very, very heavy. So let's see. I'll move a little bit so you can see the full size of it. And I was trying to decide on a color, and there was all kinds of colors, which makes it hard to pick the one you want. But I finally picked the one I kind of like the most. So let's see. So there is a box inside another box. So I'll just have to take this out and I'll come back. All right, so that's the color. It's called Milkshake. It's kind of like, it's not white, it's not yellow. It's, I will show you once I get it out of the box. I thought it was pretty good place for me. So if you do have a KitchenAid mixer, if you want to share your color, will be interested to see what kind of color you pick. So if you want to comment below what color your mixer is, will be interesting to see. All right, so cut the main box here. Got some paper, so take a look. So I think this is all attachments and the balls that's available for additional purchase. Thank you. I don't know if you can see it. Explore our attachment, blah blah blah. Yeah, so this is for attachment, just so I guess you know that you can buy extra. And so this one is the safety thing, I think. Yep, safety guard. And then I need to take this guy out, which I think I'm gonna put it on the floor. See, take this guy out. two metal hooks. And here it is. So let me get closer and show you. Let me get closer. So this is the color. It's my legs right here. So it's like so this is white and this is like a pearl shade. All right, so I think I'll make a separate videos to kind of show how it works and everything, but just for unboxing, it's the color. I think it's called Milkshake on a website. So, and this is the metal one. There we go. And let me know if you have any questions. If you like this video, give it a like, consider subscribe. I do have a lot of unboxing videos in my channel. You can check them out, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.